Hey guys, welcome back. So, quick little update. T-Mobile got hacked. And if you're just hearing this for the first time, you're probably like, oh, well, I mean, everybody gets hacked. It's a common occurrence now, things happen. But when I tell you the hack leaked more than 47 million people's information, it's a little more serious than usual. So, just to give you some more gritty details, T-Mobile has confirmed that first and last names, date of birth, social security numbers, and driver's license information may have been leaked. So, that's fun. With that being said, I just want to kind of make a video that goes over just some quick tips that you can take to kind of make sure your data is protected, and let's go over those steps now. Okay, so obviously the first thing that you should probably do if you're worried about this is freeze your credit, and I'm going to leave the links for the main three down below. That's Equifax, Transunion, and Experian, and each link will be a direct link to the account freezing process. Step 2, after that's done, we're going to be looking more into what they're doing on their end, so you're at least informed. T-Mobile is offering 2 years of McAfee ID theft protection. You can go ahead and follow the link in the description for that as well. I'm going to put it numbered step 2. Just go ahead, click the link. When you get there, it'll say add protection. Go ahead and just click that. You'll get an email within 24 hours. Just, verify it's you and whatnot, and then that'll go into effect. Step 3 is probably one of the more obvious ones. It's changing your PIN and password, and I can't provide a direct link for this. It's through your My T-Mobile account. Just go ahead on there, find the security section, and then look for the password and PIN section, and you should be able to change those from the website. I know I was able to, so if you go on there and can't find it, obviously go ahead and message them via the app, via Twitter, T-Force, that's a good way as well. But yeah, change password and PIN, definitely. And then the final step we have is adding account takeover protection. It basically makes it so no one can port out your numbers to another carrier if they have your information. Although this one's a little weird because if people have stolen your information and have your PIN and password, they can go in and override this account takeover protection because they have the information already. Although if you change your PIN and password before anything happens, then they can't really do anything. So I recommend going in order, steps 1 to 4, for the best effectiveness. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to make sure everyone stays safe online and takes the necessary steps needed to protect their accounts and their data that may have been leaked. And it's more so about damage control at this point. Although for future events, I would recommend setting up 2-factor authentication, locking down your accounts and stuff like that. And just for a bonus, I would say potentially just lock your credit, leave it locked, and then only whenever you need to unlock it temporarily, and then lock it again just to be super safe. And that's just a good rule of thumb that I've been reading online is pretty decent. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining. See ya.